And as I say, we never lost these kids. They never kicked off. And if they did, it was probably something that hadn't even happened during our session. It was something that happened that they brought with them. Quite often we would find young people who just needed space. And I know everyone says, I need some space. But actually physical space in a hammock, in a woodland, people can chill out really nicely. They're not allowed their phones.
Yeah.
And to be off social media where all those pressures, mum's constantly texting them, peer pressure from what's going on, in that space, in that moment, they don't have to worry about anything else about themselves. And I know that might sound selfish, but actually it's a healing selfish, you know. It's about having that time out and resetting.